So, good day. My name is Irishian Asna. Good day, Ma'am Luis Elbasas, and I'm from BS Finance 2A. And my net worth is I have a rough idea, but I'm still working on tracking it more accurately. And for my investment, more of an investor, but I dabble in trading sometimes. And for investment interests, stocks, real estates, and maybe some crypto in the future. And finance and life goals, yes, finance can guide goal setting by helping prioritize and allocate resources effectively. And for the accounting skills naman, and for me, I think accounting is important, but finance involves broader strategies like budgeting, investing, and managing risks. So both are important as well. And for the investment type, long-term and stocks and real estates, because I prefer stability and growth over quick returns. And for if I rate myself, if what knowledge I have gained in BSP, I can say it's 7 out of 10, because in my microeconomics last summer, I've gained knowledge, but there are some things that I could not fully understand. But I'm willing to understand it. And one big question is, uh, for me, how can we ensure financial literacy, which is reaches underserved communities? And for morning or night owl, I prefer to be night owl. And fears of the class, probably failing behind or not keeping up with the content. And yes, thank you, ma'am.